Juniper Lane is marketed as a stylish boutique-style clothing brand selling elegant dresses, knitwear, and modern women's fashion. But the real question is it another fake clothing store or a legitimate online boutique with some risks? Now, to be fair, Juniper Lane does appear to be a real operating e-commerce business. Customers do receive orders, and the brand has an active website, customer reviews, and social presence. What it does well, the website looks polished and professional. Juniper Lane's storefront is modern, clean, and much more convincing than obvious scam sites filled with stolen photos and broken pages. Some customer reviews are genuinely positive. Trustpilot reviews mention decent fabric quality, flattering fits, and successful deliveries. Some buyers specifically praise customer service and shipping speed, where it raises concerns. The website is still relatively new. This is one of the biggest caution signs. Scam Advisor notes the domain was registered recently, which means the long-term reputation is still limited. Some reviews mention quality inconsistencies. A few customers complain about chemical smells, sizing issues, or products not fully matching expectations. Could still involve drop-shipping style fulfillment. Like many modern online boutiques, Juniper Lane appears to use overseas manufacturing and logistics partners. That does not automatically mean scam, but it can sometimes lead to slower shipping or inconsistent quality. So, is Juniper Lane another fake clothing store? Short answer, probably not fake, but still a shop carefully type of store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.